Hi, I'm Bobby. This is Zach. Today we're going to talk about BVA electric pumps. Our electric pumps also come in a variety of valve options. For example, we have a manual valve, which is a cost-effective option for direct hands-on control. We also have a solenoid valve that are electrically operated and come standard with a 10-foot pendant. They come with more options than just the standard manual valve, such as wireless pendants and foot control capabilities. Solenoid valves have intermittent motor functions and pressure switch options.
We also have other valve options for specific applications such as dump valves or pump-mounted manifold blocks. The dump valves have a rapid pressure release, often used for crimping or cutting applications. These are available in manual or solenoid options. The pump-mounted manifold blocks are used in applications with tools that have remote directional valves.
So whether you need all-day performance or intermittent powerhouse, upgrade to BVA electric pumps.